Industrial Plex off of Segan. I believe it's Segan. This is the Bethany Church video that our Kellyanne Biley gathered while out and about this morning looking for the damaged sites. You can see this car coming through. The water filling up pretty quickly there. They usually have sheriff's deputies help monitoring the flow of traffic. Well, this morning they're getting barricades and cones, getting everybody out, and probably going to be closing off this area if I had to imagine. With the water coming up, these folks leaving church, and you can see what they walked out of the doors to see with this flash flood warning that's happening, and all of this rain just accumulating. You can see this poor lady, her shoes are probably messed up walking out through that. So be careful, you guys. You know how this stuff is when it starts. Well, you know, she didn't expect that coming out of church, but you got to go home and get yourself safe. Obviously, we know how the water situation can rise pretty quickly here in the capital city. So be safe out there and just buckle down, get ready for it as it comes through.
Yeah.